Ever wish you could take your snappy Capcut edits and amp them up with the professional power of After Effects? Today, we're bridging that gap and unlocking a whole new level of creative control. Let's kick things off in Capcut. You've got your footage, you've applied some text, maybe a basic transition, and you're happy with the core of your edit. The key here is to ensure your Capcut project is as finalized as you want it for this initial stage. Now, we need to get this Capcut project ready for its journey into After Effects. The most crucial step is exporting your Capcut project for seamless integration. Export your video as a standard format, like MP4. Pay close attention to your export settings. Maintain the same resolution and frame rate as your original footage. Once exported, open up Adobe After Effects in your project panel. Simply drag and drop that MP4 file you just exported from Capcut. It'll appear as a regular footage item, ready to be incorporated into your After Effects composition. Now the magic begins. Treat your Capcut clip just like any other layer in After Effects. You can apply any of After Effects' incredibly powerful animation tools and visual effects directly to it. Think complex motion graphics, advanced color grading, custom character animations, or even intricate particle effects. For instance, you could take a simple text overlay from Capcut and transform it into a fully animated kinetic typography sequence in After Effects. Or perhaps you want to add a more stylized visual flair to a clip by bringing your Capcut edit into After Effects. You're essentially giving it a professional facelift. This workflow allows you to leverage Capcut's speed and ease of use for initial assembly, and then dive deep into After Effects for that extra polish and complexity. It's a powerful combination for creating truly unique and eye-catching motion graphics. Give it a try and see what you can create.